Parang movie star.
Good evening, everyone. All protocols observed. I just want to simply say that I could not ignore greetings the dignitaries present today, as well as my friends who took time out to attend this milestone. Of course, our first on the list is our National Vice and National President, our Nina Cecilia Lamadridi, and the members of the
Totoong ninang.
National Board.
Totoong ninang.
Ginang yan ang namin sa binyag. No, actually, she's a wedding sponsor.
50th!
50th wedding anniversary, would you believe? Would you believe na napagtsagaan ako ng asawa ko? For 50 years. I also would like to acknowledge our past world President Crispin D. My kababayan, Chairman Victoriano Cruz, and the JCI Senate Foundation. Maraming nandito ng mga kaibigan ko, pero pag isa-isa ko sila, tapos na yung gabi. Pero gusto kong pasalamatan din yung aking kaibigan na nandito ngayon, si Bonching Nanadiego, past chairman of the foundation. Kung siya nandito ngayon, lahat kayo ma-acknowledge niya by name. Talagang napakatalino itong mama na ito eh. Yun na naman ang asset niya. The officers and board members of the MMJS led by Senator Haji Ortega, special acknowledgement of my guest Rod Reyes, classmate from KLSU. Kami ng mama nito ay talagang matagal na magkasama since 60 years ago. Tama ba yun? Pero ako, meron pa akong buhok. Tingnan niyo siya. And also a special guest, Ms. Bing Carion. Yes. A renowned figure and biographer par excellence. She's also the incoming or governor nominee for the Rotary District 10. I acknowledge the presence of the Pasig JC's past presidents who are here, as well as the associate members. Among them is JCI past EVP Rio Catsola and wife Eden. They flew all the way from Los Angeles, California. Talaga naman. I also would like to acknowledge si Benji Kapusan and wife Eden, past president. Malungkot lang ako kasi wala na yung mga matatandang past president ng Pasig JC. Si Coroy Pasis, si Mar Duran. Yun. Yung dalawang yun na nawawala sa eksena. I was hoping she would be here because I'd like to give her a special thanks for doing a lot of job for the revival of JCI Senate, JCI Pasay, who is now led by Ivan. There he is, Ivan. I'm also thankful for the support and indefatigable Charter President Maria Agnes Angeles for her support, 101 support. She's now assuming the role as Executive Director and Advisor to the JCI Senate Pasay. Ano ba ba? Well, last but not the least, I acknowledge the presence of my family, my wife, Betty, my children, Ricky, Villadoga, and husband, Alvin, and my apos. One of them is celebrating his 13th birthday today.
Wow! Happy birthday!
Si Anton. Anton, where are you? There he is.
Guwapo! Anton, happy birthday!
Yeah. Mga gwapo at magaganda lahat ng apo ko.
Oo.
Mano-mano lahat sa,
Sa inyong
sabi
dalawa.
nila sa lola.
Sa inyong dalawa.
My son, Jane Ryan, is also a member of JCI Angeles Culiat. I look forward to the support of my Pasay JCI Senate Board and officers. Okay, now let me go to my inaugural speech proper. Today, as JCI Senate Pasay, in JCI Senate Pasay, we once more make our commitment to serve the needs of our community, to support our young JCI Perlas Pasay projects and JCI Pasay Mayor Group under JCI Philippines, and of course our JCI Senate Philippines National Flagship Projects, namely the Outstanding Filipino TOEFL Awards, the Outstanding Filipino Physicians Awards, Kasambahay Kasambuhay, a project dedicated to our dear partner Kasambahays, our Senate advocacy projects on value transformation under project. We advocate time and consciousness and honesty, watch, and the advocacy on the environment and the green link. Our chairman and emeritus is here with us, past President Cesar Ochoa. I salute you, sir. We are equally proud that we have JCI Senator Lulu Soto now serving the National Board. Again, thank you to our past President Senators, our Executive Director and 2016 Charter past President and JCI Senate Pasay, Agi Angeles, and the JCI Perlas Pasay, led by President Daisy Lombaro, who always are there, effectively implementing our projects and finding ways to reach out to others, true to our creed that service to humanity is the best work of life. I especially thank my predecessor, JCI Senator Elton Sitan, who served JCI Senate Pasay the past 2 years and is actively representing us in the Metro Manila JC Senate. Thank you for for being there in the Manila Metro Manila JC Senate, representing us. I was once myself a president of the Metro Manila JC Senate. Again, thank you all for witnessing this milestone event. Maraming salamat po and good evening.
Thank you for that inaugural speech. President Chase Senator Jing